society is changing very fast, and one of the key issues is that young students today, they use a lot of ICT equipment and tools at home for edutainment. So clearly it's very important that the part of this very innovative tool is part of the educational system. Also because if we think about how the education is changing with the arrival of a lot of big data, a lot of information that are available on the internet, so it's very important that also there will be a process of teaching students how to learn and how to find the kind of information they need for their own knowledge, for their own learning. So this is very important that it will be done through technology. Together with this availability of technology in all the society, there are a lot of big impact on how job is changing. Today technology is enabler, a big important things in all job. So clearly I cannot see today any kind of job without using ICT. So clearly it's a big opportunity for young people that they cannot do without. Youth Park is a very generous program for a large corporation, maybe one of the most generous corporations in the world, like Microsoft. Clearly this can be important for somebody else trying to do their own job. So I think that it will be a sort of, let's say, imitator feeling that they can be disseminated in Europe and in the world, and we hope that a lot of other companies can do the same as Microsoft. The new government, the Renzi government, has just defined the priority of Italy for the EU presidency, and youth unemployment is top priority for the government. This is clearly important things, couldn't be different, because the 42% of youth unemployment is something that is completely unsustainable. So I believe that the Italian government has put the right accent on the agenda. So now the very important thing for my expectation is just not to work at the governance level, at the legislation level. That is also important, but we are expecting very concrete action on the ground, because young people need to see action, need to see proposal, need to see really that something is happening today very close to them. So we are expecting that the government is taking some of the best practices that are happening in Italy, like for example the experience of the Youth Park program in Italy, and to replicate more systematically on the national level.